Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Then we see if it's going to hold there and after that we're going upward, or maybe the best scenario, because if you remember, also we used to have here in that place a rising wedge like that. It's being broken, and we make the calculation. We said it's going to go till here, till that zone here down of 19,462. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find the red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that, and you're going to be notified every time when also we're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it, and please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Again, my friend, we came back to you in another video. So my friend, as you see here, let me zoom it a little bit. What did I told you here about that candle? I told you here. I told you that zone when it's broken, and when a support being broken, it become a resistance, as you see it, my friend. And that red candle here, that one, it's showing that to us. Let me zoom it. As you see it, my friend, that candle, that one, it's showing to us that place here. It's become a resistance here. So the price, it tried to break it up, but it couldn't. Then now look where we are going. We are going now to that zone here, that one. Also, we're being followed for some time. So as you see, my friend, the price here, it's giving us here now, like a double top, as you see it. So if it's breaking for you that zone here down, you're going to make your calculation to make from here, like that. So it's going to drop maybe till here. Because even here you got a zone, my friend. Here exactly in that place. Let's draw it together. You got a zone here, my friend. Here, as you see it. Now we draw it together. And me before, what did I told you in the previous video? You can watch it still in the channel. I told you we got here that 50 moving average, that one. The price is going to it to test it again. Then we see if it's going to hold there, and after that we're going upward. Or maybe the best scenario, because if you remember, also we used to have here in that place a rising wedge like that. It's being broken, and we make the calculation. We said it's going to go till here, till that zone here down of 19,462. So let's see if that moving average here is going to hold. If it's not, we are going to go down here. If that one here doesn't hold, we are going to here to 19,462. Then after that, we're going upward, my friend. And that normal in the trader, my friend. And I show you in the previous video, I told you we got a trend from here, like that, like that. I told you it started from here and here, not the second time. So maybe that one, it will go in even till here, till that zone here. And that's exactly the zone of the previous one here. Let's see if it's going to hold that zone or no, or that trend line. Because that one is not a stronger trend line. But that white one down here, that one is the long-term trend. Let's hope it's going to hold, my friend. If it's not, it's going to be the best scenario for Bitcoin, my friend. And no one wanted. Because that time we are going to see the Bitcoin down lower than that. Because as you see it now, it tried to give us here a flag, my friend, like that. You can even draw a flag like that. So if it's broken the lower of it, you calculate it from here to here. And you're going to be here maybe. Let's do it together and see what's going to tell us. Let's delta in that trend line. As you see it, my friend, that one, the channel. Then you bring in from here, from the previous channel being broken till here, till down here, like that. Then you click on control like that. You take it off another one. Then you put it like that. So if that one broke, my friend, we are going to 12K. So those people, they saying the Bitcoin it will go to 10K. Maybe they are right. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. So here, let's put it with another color. Let's put it maybe red, like that. It's delting all those ones. So my friend, also we got here that zone where we are now. Another zone here, that stronger trend line or that long-term trend line, that one. And that one is being for long with us. If we broke it, my friend, it's going to be the best scenario, my friend. And we got here that the top one, that one. And we got here a falling wedge, as you see it, my friend. It's being formed for us for some time. So now let's see if it's going to hold or no. Everything is too clear, my friend. Now let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, the price here, it's broken, but that candle is still going. We need to wait until tomorrow, then we see what's going to happen. So tomorrow I'm going to update you what's going to happen, my friend, here. Till now it's showing here, it's still here. So maybe from here it will go in upward, we don't know. And let's hope it will go in upward, my friend. Because till now when it came here to that long-term trend, it show a big retracement down. So maybe from here it's going to break that small trend line and it will going down here to the oversold area. So you stay with us. If it go here, we will buy more from here. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, my friend, as you see it, it's still here in the middle. It hasn't came upward and it's still showing us we are in an uptrend. We don't know what's going to happen. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into the 4 hours, my friend. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see it, that candle here, it's breaking for us that 200 moving average. And it's touching the lower of that trend here. So we don't know. Let's wait in that 4 hours candle to finish. And we see what's going to tell us if the market is going to go in upward or no. And another thing here, I want to show it to you before. As you see here, my friend, what the price giving you here in that place. Here, like that. And it give you here a small head like that. So that one, the shoulder, the head, and another shoulder. So let's going back here to the candles. So as you see it, my friend, here, that one, the first shoulder, that one here, the head, and that one here, that smaller one, is the second shoulder, my friend. And it's being broken, the down one, like that. Where is the down of it? The down of it used to be here, like that zone here. So when it's breaking for you, you calculate it from here to here, like that. And you make it like that. So it's going to stay here in that zone here. That the best scenario is going to stay here in that zone for some time like that. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. It will give us here a W or something like the previous one here. So let's wait and see. And the bad scenario, if it's breaking for us that zone here, it means us we are going to down here at 21K. Everything is too clear, my friend. But something here, if you see it, my friend, here in the volume, or the volume showing you here, we still have a divergence, my friend. We don't know when it's going the price to go up, but there is a divergence in the volume. So be aware of that one, my friend. So let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's enter here at the oversold area. And that one is the right time for you to buy, but it needs the price to give you here a price action for you to enter long. Because that one is just indicator. It just something will complete the signal here. So it's need first to give you a price action. The price it will go in upward to give you a pattern or a candle or something like that. That's why us here. So we are going to update you every time, my friend. And by the way, if you are wondering what us we're talking about here, down below in the first comment, my friend, there is a 85% coupon link to our technical analysis course. That course is going to take you from scratch till you're going to be pro technical analysis person. And at the end, you're going to get a certificate. That certificate is showing that you are a pro technical analysis person. If you want it, go check it, my friend. That course is going to teach you everything you're thinking of. How to draw trend lines, how to draw supply and demands, how to draw support and resistance, how to read patterns. Everything in that course, my friend. So, everything is too clear, my friend. And another thing, my friend, as I told you, also we are here at the oversold, but we still have here the trend line like that, which is falling like that. So you need to wait until that one getting broken up. When it's broken up, that's the right time for you to enter. If it doesn't broke, my friend, don't enter. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's see 30 minutes. What is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you? Here in 30 minutes, my friend, it's showing that also we are in a downtrend. And if you see here, let me show it to you. Here, what the price give you here in that zone here. Like that, like that, like that. It give you there a head and shoulder, my friend. The first shoulder is here. The head is here. And the third shoulder is here, my friend. You just came like that and you calculate it like that. You make it. So as you see it, it came down and touched for us that lower of the channel. Also we have that one here. So that's the right time for you to take profit if you enter short, my friend. And as you see here, also we are in a downtrend because also we are in the lower of the 200 moving average. If there is an entry, it's going to go up till it will touch in here the 200 moving average, my friend. By the way, if you want to trade by yourself, I would just put in for you how to earn $100 a day trading the cryptocurrency. You can go and watch it, my friend. We just put it as a new video. Everything is too clear, my friend. So now what our view to it, maybe is going to touch here that zone. Then after that, it will go in upward. But till now, there is nothing, my friend. Unless if it's breaking for us that upper channel here. That one also we have from here and here. And as you see it now, so it's a valid channel and very solid channel. So you need to wait it to break up or to break down, my friend, for you to enter. Everything is too clear, my friend. Till now, there is no entry, my friend. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, we are at the oversold area. We be in here the first time here. That way also using stop loss, my friend. Now the second time, I think here is going to stay a little bit here at the oversold area. Then after that, you will go in here to the overbought area. So my friend, if you want to enter, if you enter from here, you put stop loss down here. And you put another pending order in the middle here. So, and the take profit is going to be here at that 200 moving average, my friend. Here exactly at that zone. Sorry, let me show it to you. The take profit of you is going to be here exactly at the lower of that previous candle or previous low here. Because you are in a downtrend, my friend, as you see it. Give you lower low. So if you enter long, that is up to you. But you waiting to enter short is the best thing. As you see it, my friend, you are in a downtrend like that. It's giving you lower lows. So be aware of that things, my friend. And another thing here, the price here is giving us a falling wedge like that. You can make it like that if you want, or you can make it from here, from that peak of that one, like that, and like that. So you wait in the price where it's going to break up or down. If it's breaking down, that means you're going to see it down here. If it's broken up, that means you're going to see it up here in that zone, as we talking before here. Everything is too clear, my friend. So if you are not subscriber, my friend, subscribe to our channel. Also, we put in every day 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin chart. And tomorrow we are going to put for you, my friend. So we're going to update you every day. We tell you what is going on in the Bitcoin market or crypto world market. So stay tuned with us, my friend, and make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, my friend. See you in another video, my friend. Bye for now.